Before buying a tile floor cleaner machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Shark Steam Mop. Let's kick things off with the Shark Steam Mop. Priced at $69.99, this little powerhouse caught my attention with its compact design and the fact that it's a bestseller. If you want to clean your sealed hard floors without any harsh chemicals, this is worth a serious look. The Shark Steam Mop offers chemical-free sanitization, which means you can tackle grease and grime using just water, no harmful residues left behind. It heats up in just 30 seconds, so you're not waiting around when you need to get cleaning. Plus, it has a removable water tank that makes refills a breeze, allowing you to clean more without interruptions. The 18-foot power cord gives you a wide radius to work with, so you won't be constantly searching for outlets. This mop even comes with machine washable pads, which is great for the environment and your wallet. Now some users mention that the steam might not be strong enough for really tough stains. Here's the thing though, it's designed for regular cleaning rather than heavy-duty scrubbing, so if you keep up with it, you shouldn't have major issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use mop that's gentle on surfaces yet effective. Skip this one if you need something for deep cleaning tough stains frequently. For the price, it's a solid investment in keeping those floors sparkling. Now, if the Shark Steam might not cut it for deep cleaning, the next one might actually be even better for those tougher jobs. Product number 2, Orc Commercial Orbiter. Next up is the Orc Commercial Orbiter, retailing for $449. This one grabbed my attention because it's a commercial-grade cleaner that can tackle just about any flooring surface. If you want a powerful machine that can strip, polish, and deep clean, this is definitely worth a look. The Orc Orbiter features a wide cleaning path and a random orbital drive that helps it glide over your floors without leaving marks, a huge plus if you have hardwood or tile. It's versatile enough to deep clean carpets as well, ensuring you don't have to switch tools for different surfaces. With a 50-foot-long cord, you can easily cover larger areas without being tethered to the nearest outlet. This machine is perfect for those who want a thorough clean without the hassle of dealing with multiple devices. However, some users did find the weight of 33 pounds a bit cumbersome to maneuver, especially for longer cleaning sessions. Here's the deal. If you're looking for something lighter, this might not be for you, but if you want power and versatility, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of flooring types and need a deep cleaning machine. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight for quick cleanups. Considering its capabilities, the price is justified for those serious about floor maintenance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product on my list offers a more compact solution without sacrificing power. Product number 3, BISSELL Steam Mop 1940A. Now, let's talk about the BISSELL Steam Mop 1940A, priced at $99.99. This caught my eye because it's designed for both hardwood and tile, making it a great dual-purpose cleaner. If you want something that can sanitize while you clean, this is definitely worth considering. It even features a built-in scrubber for tough grime, which means you don't have to put in extra elbow grease for those stubborn messes. You can adjust the steam intensity with 3 settings to match the type of dirt you're dealing with. And with a 23-foot power cord, you can cover a good amount of space without switching outlets too often. One downside is that some users noted that the water tank could have been larger for longer cleaning sessions, requiring more frequent refills. Here's the thing though, if you're regularly cleaning, stopping to refill isn't a huge inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mop that sanitizes while it cleans. Skip this one if you have larger areas and need to minimize interruptions. For the price, it's a great deal considering its features and effectiveness. Now, if you're looking for something even more versatile, the next product combines multiple functions in one. Product number 4, Roborock F25 GT. The Roborock F25 GT is next, priced at $239.99. This caught my attention because it's a cordless vacuum mop combo that can handle various surfaces. If you want a hassle-free all-in-one cleaner for your home, this is worth checking out. It's designed to clean hardwood, tile, and vinyl floors, saving you the hassle of switching tools. With its self-cleaning feature, you won't have to deal with dirty mop heads, just a quick clean after usage and you're good to go. Plus, its lightweight design and lie-flat feature help you get under furniture with ease. However, some users mention that the battery life at 40 minutes could be a limitation for larger homes. Here's the thing though, if you're doing regular touch-ups, it should be more than enough, and the convenience of cordless operation is a big win. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that simplifies your cleaning routine. Skip this one if you have a very large space and need longer runtimes. For its capabilities, it's reasonably priced and worth considering. Now, if you're still looking for a more traditional approach, the last product on my list offers effective results with a unique twist. Product number 5, Bissell Spin Wave. Finally, we have the Bissell Spin Wave priced at $119.99. This caught my eye because it offers machine-powered scrubbing without the hard work. If you want a deep clean with minimal effort, this is a solid option. The Spin Wave's powerful corded design utilizes machine-powered scrubbing pads that make removing tough messes effortless. One of the highlights is the on-demand targeted spray feature that allows you to dispense cleaning solution exactly where you need it, minimizing waste. The lightweight design and easy glide swivel head make it a breeze to maneuver around furniture. One honest flaw is that some users found the cord a bit limiting compared to cordless options. Here's the deal. While a cord can be a hassle, the consistent power ensures you won't run out of battery mid-clean. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss mop that does heavy lifting for you. Skip this one if you prefer the freedom of a cordless device. For its price and performance, it's a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. So to wrap it all up, we've looked at the Shark Steam Mop for quick cleaning, the Orc Commercial Orbiter for heavy-duty tasks, the Bissell Steam Mop for effective sanitization, the Roborock F25 GT for a versatile cordless solution, and the Bissell Spin Wave for effortless scrubbing. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best.